Geeta came from India, where there is a wonderful celebration. It is called Diwali, the Hindu festival of lights. Little oil lamps called diyas are placed throughout the house in honor of a well-loved goddess. Her name is Lakshmi. Many believe she has the power to bring good fortune to those who call her. For Geeta, the best part of Diwali was when her grandmother led all the children to the window to watch the skies of New Delhi light up in a dazzling display of fireworks. This would be Geeta's first Diwali in her new country. She knew it couldn't be like Diwali at her grandmother's in New Delhi. But still, Geeta's mother made their favorite sweets, spiral jalebis and golden peras. Geeta had already invited 5 school friends to help celebrate. When she had asked Albert at school, he didn't quite know what Diwali was, though. No, it wasn't like Halloween. Luke thought it was like a skating party. And Jenny, Sam, and Amy had their own ideas of what Diwali must be like. But when Geeta told her friends that her father would light fireworks in the park, everyone wanted to come. It had finally arrived. Today was really and truly Diwali.
Daddy, did you get the fireworks?
Yes, but...
Yay!
Geeta, look outside the window.
I'm sure it won't last long.
Never mind. We'll have the fireworks tomorrow after the ice storm.
But my friends are coming.
You and your friends can still have a lovely party, Geeta. Everyone will light the diyas. Hello. Okay, thank you. I'll give her the message. That was Albert. He and Sam can't come today. It's much too icy to drive.
I hate this place.
I'll give her the message. I'm sorry, Geeta. Jenny and Luke have also cancelled. But Amy hasn't called yet, and she does live very close by.
No one will come. Whoever heard of freezing rain on Diwali?
Beti, Diwali is really about filling the darkness with light. This is something fireworks can't do.
Mommy, let's light the diyas. What's happening? Mommy?
The storm has caused the power to go out.
In all the houses? What should we do?
There is nothing we can do for the Mormon, Gita.
Maybe there is something we can do.
It seems we'll have wonderful luck this Diwali.
Look, it's Amy. You made it.
Hi, come downstairs. Everything's covered in ice. Hey, Geeta, do you have skates?
Who needs skates? Watch me.
Wait up. Geeta, your window's the only one with lights.
The reflections on the ice sparkled everywhere and danced like fireworks. Geeta could hardly wait to write to her grandmother in India about this Diwali in her new home.